2026 Chevelle SS 427 is not just a carit, is a statement, a revival of pure American muscle infused with modern engineering, advanced technology, an aggressive design that instantly captures the imagination of car lovers around the world, bringing back one of the most legendary nameplates in automotive history. Chevrolet has reimagined the Chevelle SS 427 for a new generation while staying true to its raw, high-performance DNA, in a market crowded with turbocharged sedans, electric vehicles, and overly digitalized cars. The 2026 Chevelle SS 427 stands apart as a bold celebration of power, sound, and emotional driving. This car is special because it blends old-school V8 muscle with modern safety, luxury, and connectivity, creating a package that few competitors can truly match. From the moment you see the 2026 Chevelle SS 427, its exterior design commands attention. The body styling is muscular and wide, with a long hood and short rear deck that instantly reminds enthusiasts of classic Chevelle proportions. Sharp character lines run across the sides, giving the car a sense of motion even when standing still. The front fascia is aggressive, featuring a blacked-out grille with bold SS badging, large air intakes for improved cooling, and a sculpted bumper that enhances aerodynamics. The hood features functional heat extractors and power bulges that hint at the monstrous engine underneath. Aerodynamic elements such as an integrated front splitter, side skirts, and a subtle rear spoiler help improve stability at high speeds without compromising the car's classic muscle car silhouette. In terms of size, the 2026 Chevelle SS 427 is wider and lower than many modern sports sedans, giving it a planted stance on the road. Large alloy wheels, typically 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear, fill the wheel arches perfectly and are wrapped in high-performance tires designed for maximum grip. Performance brake calipers, often finished in red or yellow, add a premium and sporty touch. The lighting system is fully modern, with slim LED headlights, aggressive daytime running lights, and smoked LED tail lamps that stretch across the rear, giving the car a futuristic yet retro-inspired look. Buyers can expect a range of bold color options, including classic black, metallic silver, deep red, electric blue, and heritage-inspired shades that pay tribute to the original Chevelle SS models. Premium elements, such as carbon fiber accents, dual exhaust tips, and optional matte finishes further elevate the car's visual appeal. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevelle SS 427 surprises with a perfect balance of muscle car attitude and modern luxury. The seating is sporty yet comfortable, with heavily bolstered front seats that provide excellent support during aggressive driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. High-quality, leather upholstery, Alcantara inserts, and contrast stitching give the interior a premium feel. The driver-focused cockpit features a flat-bottom steering wheel, metal pedals, and a digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display performance data, navigation, or classic-style gauges. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, especially during night drives. The infotainment system is centered around a large touchscreen with fast response and intuitive menus. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. A premium sound system delivers deep bass and clear highs, making it perfect for both cruising and daily driving. The interior space is generous for a performance coupe, offering enough legroom and headroom for daily usability. Material quality is excellent throughout, with soft touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, and optional carbon fiber trim, enhancing the overall sense of craftsmanship. At the heart of the 2026 Chevelle SS 427 lies its most defining feature, the engine. The iconic 427 cubic inch V8 returns in modern form, delivering breathtaking performance. This naturally aspirated powerhouse produces well over 600 horsepower and massive torque, delivering instant throttle response and a thunderous exhaust note that muscle car fans crave. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a choice of a modern 10-speed automatic transmission or a performance-oriented manual gearbox for pure acceleration is brutal, with the Chevelle SS 427 capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.5 seconds. Putting it firmly in supercar territory, handling has been significantly improved compared to classic muscle cars, thanks to a modern suspension setup, adaptive dampers, and advanced chassis tuning. The car feels stable and confident at high speeds while remaining surprisingly agile in corners. Despite its performance focus, fuel efficiency has been improved through modern engine management and cylinder deactivation technology, making it more usable for daily driving than older V8 monsters. The overall driving experience is thrilling, emotional, and engaging, exactly what enthusiasts expect from a Chevelle SS 427. Technology plays a major role in making this classic-inspired muscle car suitable for the modern era. Advanced connectivity features allow seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and real-time vehicle data. Driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert add convenience and safety. Futuristic tools like performance drive modes, launch control, and customizable exhaust sound profiles let drivers tailor the car to their preferences. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2026 Chevelle SS 427 comes equipped with multiple airbags, advanced ABS, braking, electronic stability control,